Use a stagger that limits joints to no more than 1/3 offset to minimize lippage when installing large rectangular porcelain tiles. When laying large format rectangular tiles, start by dry laying a few rows to confirm how the pattern meets walls and fixtures and to avoid narrow cuts at the perimeter. Use a full coverage thinset method with a large notched trowel sized to the tile back to ensure bedding and prevent voids that lead to tile flex and edge mismatch. Set tiles with a 1/3 joint offset, which means each row is shifted by no more than 1/3 of the tile length, so adjacent edges remain close to aligned and load is distributed evenly. Avoid a running bond or brick pattern for tiles longer than 12 inches because a 1/2 offset creates long continuous joints that amplify substrate deflection and increase the chance of lippage. Maintain a consistent grout joint width, typically 3/32 to 1/4 of an inch depending on tile rectification, and check frequently with a straight edge across multiple tiles to detect any high spots immediately. Fit perimeter tiles last and leave a 1/4 of an inch expansion gap at walls and fixed objects that will be later covered with trim or caulk. Common mistakes include using a 1/2 offset stagger with long tiles, which causes uneven edges and potential trip hazards, so switch to the 1/3 offset to reduce mismatched edges. Another issue is inadequate thinset coverage or uncoupling underlayment, which leads to hollow spots and tile flex. Ensure full mortar contact and consider a proper uncoupling membrane or stiff substrate when needed. The third frequent problem is rushing perimeter cuts, leaving tight edges against walls instead of leaving a 1/4 of an inch expansion gap. Always measure and cut perimeter pieces last and maintain that gap for movement and finishing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover local contractors and browse project ideas relevant to tile installations, and we also connect contractors with homeowners seeking work. We host a discussion community where our members share tips, ask questions, and post real-world installation experiences.